Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about Mini Handi, which is 2.5 liters and it is from the brand Prestige. So let's get started. This is a beautiful handi from the brand Prestige. Prestige is a very popular brand when it comes to kitchen appliances and cookware. Now this mini handi is of course handi in shape, so you can obviously make biryani, you can make some curry recipes, whatever you want to cook you can easily cook, so the shape is very nice. Now the benefit of having this handi is, I love the fact that it is 2.5 liters in capacity. Now 2.5 liters in capacity means that you can easily cook for 4 to 6 people in this handi at a time. Now the second benefit is that it comes with superior non-stick coating. Now how does a superior non-stick coating helps? So you can actually use a metal spatula. You don't have to worry about high maintenance of this coating, so that's again one of the benefits. The looks are very stylish, so you don't have to just keep this cookware in the kitchen. You can of course take it to the dining table. You also get a stainless steel lid. So whatever you have cooked, if you have cooked rice, you have made biryani, or you have made some gravy recipe, all you have to do is cover the lid, keep it on the gas stove, heat it up, and when the food is hot, you can straight away take it to the dining table with the help of these Bakelite sturdy handles. So you can use a metal spatula, you don't always have to use a wooden spatula. It comes with 1-year warranty from the brand. In fact, this outer finish also, if you're thinking that this will get spoiled in some time and this will not last longer, that's not the case with Prestige. So the outer looks also and the inside coating also will remain like this. You get a 1-year warranty from the brand. I also like the fact that it has flat base. Now the benefit of having a flat base cookware is that whenever you're cooking something, the food gets evenly cooked from all the sides. So when you keep it on the gas, the flame gets circulated evenly on all the sides. So food gets evenly cooked from all the sides. Here you get these sturdy handles also. So even if it's boiling hot, your hands, your fingers will not get burned. You can easily hold the handi from these two sides. Now here inside also it says that it comes with PFOA free coating. Now so there's a chemical which many other brands uses in their non-stick coating, and that chemical is very harmful for health. But this cookware has been made with a non-stick coating that is PFOA free, which means there are no chemicals in the coating. The coating is completely healthy. So not only you cook recipes in less oil, because it's non-stick coating, you don't have to put much oil, but the coating is also friendly. It's eco-friendly, it's good for your health, it's not at all harmful. Now here you also get these stain-free interiors. You have seen in many cookwares, because in our Indian cooking we use a lot of haldi also. So the stains will not be visible. Because the coating is nice, the product will look beautiful all the time whenever you use it, no matter how many times you use it in a day. Plus this is metal spoon friendly, it's more durable, and it comes with a superior non-stick coating. And the weight of the product is also nice. Whenever you buy a cookware, the weight really matters, because if the weight is good, that means the cookware is more sturdy, it's going to be more durable, and it will last you longer. So the same with this handi. I also like the fact that it comes in this individual packing inside this box. So even around festivals, if you're going to somebody's housewarming party, you're going to somebody's house for any celebration, you can use this as a gifting item also. People would love to receive a product which is from Prestige, because Prestige is a brand which is loved by all. So all in all, this was it about mini handi, which is 2.5 liters in capacity from the brand Prestige. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned in for more.